English conversation practice.
Good morning, James. How are you today?
Good morning, Anna. I'm feeling really good.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept great. Thank you.
Glad to hear. Ready for work?
Yes, I'm ready for today's tasks.
Did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes, I had a quick sandwich.
Nice. Breakfast helps start the day strong.
Absolutely. It gives me better focus.
I usually drink coffee early morning.
Coffee helps me stay awake too.
Do you want coffee before starting?
Yes, I would love a cup.
Great. Let's grab coffee together first.
Perfect idea. I enjoy morning coffee breaks.
Do you usually drink hot coffee?
Yes, hot coffee is my favorite.
I like iced coffee on busy days.
Iced coffee tastes refreshing and sweet.
Are you working on reports today?
Yes, I'll finish all reports today.
Good. The manager needs them soon.
I'll try sending them before lunch.
That would be very helpful. Thanks.
No problem. I'll do my best.
Do you need any assistance today?
Maybe help with the second file.
Sure, I can assist you later.
Thank you. Teamwork makes work easier.
Exactly. Teamwork always brings good results.
Did you check your email already?
Yes, I checked it early morning.
Anything important from the manager?
Yes, she has a meeting planned.
Oh, what time is the meeting?
It's at 10, so prepare soon.
All right, I'll be ready before then.
Do you have your notes prepared?
Yes, I updated them last night.
Great. That will help a lot.
I like staying organized for meetings.
Organization is important for office work.
Yes, it keeps everything clear daily.
Are you busy after the meeting?
Yes, I'll work on the budget.
Need help with budget planning?
Maybe later, if you have time.
Sure, I can help around noon.
Noon works perfectly for me, thanks.
Do you want lunch together today?
Yes, lunch together sounds really nice.
Any place you want to go?
Maybe the cafe across the road?
Good idea. Their food tastes great.
I like their chicken rice bowl.
I prefer the vegetable noodle soup.
Healthy meals help energy last longer.
Yes, eating well improves work performance.
Do you bring lunch sometimes too?
Yes, I bring lunch on Fridays.
That's nice. Homemade food is great.
What time do you usually eat?
Usually I eat at 12:30.
Same here. It's a comfortable time.
Are you working on training today?
Yes, I'm preparing training materials now.
Training sessions help new employees learn.
Exactly. Learning makes their work easier.
Do you enjoy training new staff?
Yes, I love helping people grow.
That's great. Your training style motivates many.
Thank you. I try my best always.
How many tasks do you have today?
Maybe 5 tasks, all important ones.
Sounds like a busy workday today.
Yes, but I enjoy productive days.
Same here. Busy days feel satisfying.
Did you check the office calendar?
Yes, I saw the updated schedule.
We have 2 meetings tomorrow morning.
What time do the meetings start?
First one starts at 9 sharp.
I'll come early to prepare everything.
Preparation makes meetings run smoothly.
Yes, prepared teams work best together.
Do you prefer morning tasks or afternoon?
I prefer morning. My mind feels fresher.
Same here. Mornings feel most productive.
I finish difficult tasks in morning.
Smart move saves time later on.
How long is your task list today?
Probably 4 hours of continuous work.
That's manageable. You handle pressure well.
Thank you. I try staying calm always.
Calm people make the office feel peaceful.
Thank you. I like supportive workspaces.
Supportive teams create better work results.
Exactly. Support makes everything easier.
Are you joining the afternoon briefing today?
Yes, I'll join after finishing emails.
Do you get many emails daily?
Yes, many emails need fast replies.
That can feel overwhelming sometimes, right?
Yes, but I manage time carefully.
Good time management reduces work stress.
Yes, planning improves productivity greatly.
Do you use checklists for tasks?
Yes, checklists help me stay organized.
I recently started using checklists too.
Do they help you work faster?
Yes, they help me stay focused.
Focus is important for quality work.
Yes, focus helps avoid small mistakes.
Mistakes happen, but we always improve.
Exactly. Improvement is part of learning.
Do you feel comfortable asking questions?
Yes, I ask questions when unsure.
Good. Communication helps avoid confusion.
Clear communication builds stronger teamwork.
Everyone appreciates clear and polite communication.
Politeness makes office relationships better.
True. Positive coworkers create good energy.
I enjoy positive work environments greatly.
Did you start the weekly report already?
Yes, I completed half this morning.
Good progress. You're working efficiently today.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
I appreciate your consistent hard work.
Thank you. Your support motivates me.
Do you want another coffee break?
Not now. Maybe later afternoon.
Afternoon coffee helps many people stay alert.
Yes, afternoon energy sometimes drops quickly.
Do you take short breaks between tasks?
Yes, short breaks help me recharge.
That's good. Balance keeps work healthy.
Healthy habits support long-term productivity.
Exactly. Health matters in every job.
Do you walk during lunch breaks sometimes?
Yes, walking clears my mind nicely.
Walking helps reduce stress effectively.
Do you have meetings tomorrow afternoon?
No meetings. I'll finish pending tasks.
Good time to focus on paperwork.
Yes, paperwork requires careful attention always.
Attention to detail prevents future problems.
True. Details make big differences sometimes.
Do you enjoy working with our team?
Yes, everyone communicates kindly and professionally.
We try building supportive relationships here.
I really appreciate the friendly environment.
Do you need help organizing your files?
Yes, I should clean them today.
I can help you after lunch.
Thank you. That would be nice.
Keeping files organized saves time later.
Yes, organized files are always helpful.
How many projects are you handling?
Currently, I'm handling 3 small projects.
That's a good workload for now.
Yes, I can manage them well.
Do you enjoy project-based work style?
Yes, it keeps things interesting daily.
Interesting work helps build strong motivation.
Motivation improves overall job satisfaction daily.
Do you plan your tasks weekly?
Yes, planning weekly keeps me organized.
Weekly planning helps reduce unnecessary stress.
Yes, it makes work smoother overall.
Do you usually reach your weekly goals?
Yes, most goals are completed consistently.
That's impressive. You're very committed.
Commitment is important for career growth.
Do you want to learn new skills?
Yes, learning new skills helps development.
What skills are you interested in?
Maybe leadership and communication skills.
Those skills help future career opportunities.
Yes, I want to grow professionally soon.
We can discuss training programs later.
Thank you. I appreciate your guidance.
Guidance helps employees grow successfully.
Yes, good guidance builds confidence too.
Are you comfortable speaking in meetings?
Yes, but I'm still improving confidence.
Your communication has improved a lot.
Thank you. I practice speaking daily.
Daily practice helps communication skills develop.
Yes, consistent practice brings good results.
Did you update your calendar already?
Yes, all events are updated correctly.
Great. Accurate scheduling avoids confusion later.
Yes, clear schedules help everyone prepare.
Do you prefer digital notes or paper?
I prefer digital notes for convenience.
Digital tools make work more efficient.
Yes, they help save time daily.
How is your workload this week?
Busy but manageable with proper planning.
Planning really helps balance heavy tasks.
Yes, it prevents unnecessary work stress.
Do you need assistance this Thursday?
Maybe help organizing the final report?
Sure. I'll help you Thursday afternoon.
Thank you. That makes things easier.
We support each other in this office.
Yes, it creates a very positive environment.
Are you joining the team dinner Friday?
Yes, I'll join. Sounds fun already.
Team dinners help everyone relax together.
Yes, relaxing together strengthens teamwork bonds.
Do you prefer early or late lunch?
I prefer early lunch when possible.
Early lunch helps avoid long lines.
Yes, it saves a lot of time.
Do you take morning walks sometimes?
Yes, morning walks help my energy.
Energy levels affect work productivity greatly.
That's true, energy helps focus better.
Did you check the new office policy?
Yes, I read it yesterday evening.
Good. Updated policies keep everyone informed.
Yes, understanding policies is very important.
Do you enjoy working in this department?
Yes, everyone here is very supportive.
Supportive coworkers make work enjoyable daily.
Yes, I feel comfortable working here.
How is your task progress today?
Very good. I finished 3 tasks.
Excellent. You're doing really well.
Thank you. I'm trying hard today.
Hard work always shows great results.
Yes, results motivate me even more.
Do you have plans after work?
Maybe just relaxing at home tonight.
You deserve rest after busy days.
Yes, rest helps me stay productive.
Tomorrow will be another good day.
Yes, I look forward to tomorrow.
Thank you for your great teamwork today.
Thank you. I enjoyed working with you.
Let's finish tasks before leaving today.
Yes, let's complete everything on time.
Finishing tasks early feels really satisfying.
Yes, it keeps the schedule clear.
You did an excellent job today, James.
Thank you. Your support helped a lot.
Let's continue this good teamwork tomorrow.
Absolutely. Teamwork makes everything better, daily.